In this video, I will guide you how to stake LDOT on Acala in less than 2 minutes. LiquidDOT staking on Acala. Acala is a cross-chain DeFi hub for the Polkadot ecosystem. It won the first pararchain with 32 million DOT staked. So let me show you how to stake DOT on Acala. I connect my Polkadot.js wallet and choose the right account. And first of all, we need to bridge DOT here. It's an easy and smooth process. I set the amount. Keep in mind that you always need to leave some dots on each account to cover gas fees. I need to confirm it in my wallet. It took less than a minute to see dots on balance. Cool, so I'm heading to the staking section. What we are actually doing here is swapping our DOT to LiquidDOT. LDOT is a representation of our staked asset. Whenever I'm ready to get back my DOT, I redeem it. But while holding it, I'm getting staking rewards, and also I can use it as collateral, mint AUSD, and many more. So I set the amount I want to stake. Minimum amount here is 5 dots, and click Stake. Then I need to sign the transaction in Polkadot.js. Excellent, we have staked our DOT on Acala. In the DOT Overview tab, we see the amount of staked DOT and see the rewards in Acala tokens. It's 0 right now actually. Also here we can unstake our dots. Amazing, the process is easy and smooth. So if you find this video helpful, please give me a like and hit the subscribe button. Please tell me where you stake your DOT and how you choose the validator in the comments. See you on Web3, bye!